Hi, welcome to another video. Today we're going to see how to work and use OpenBOM design projects to collaborate with a design services company on your project. So the first thing will be creating a new user for the design services, doing drawings and 3D modeling for you. So you can go into your team administrator and create a new user to your team. So let's do that quickly. So let's create a new user. Okay, notice that be sure to choose the option no access. So we're going to use this permission. So the user will only have access to the projects we share with him. So let's do that. Let's give it a quick, okay, let's just create a quick user and you invite them to, okay, let's create a design services team with no access and invite him to join. So when this user logins to OpenBOM, so notice that when he goes to design projects, he has no access at all, doesn't see anything at all. So the user, let's just log in with that as an example, so you can see actually, this a bit into slow motion, what happens here. So the user logs in, he goes into OpenBOM design, and he doesn't have access to anything because it's design projects, and this is completely empty. It doesn't have access to any projects. So yourself can go and if you now add this user to a project, he will only see the projects you will share with him. So let's do that. As admin, let's go into design, create a new project, and share this project with him. So let's create a new project. And now in this project, we're going to share with this user with some sort of permissions. So we're going to go and select this user with sort of permissions, edit. You can click on add and let's click close. So let's just click on share there, click on the share button there, and then you are good to go. So once you now log in with that user, notice that you can now see a different set of projects. So you can see that you now have access to only the project you are working on. Okay, so that will be the result. So a very simple way so you can start collaborating. Very simple way to collaborate with any sort of design services company using OpenBOM design projects. Thank you. See you on another video.